Bharat mission, which started on May 7th to bring back stranded Indian nationals back home from other countries, initiated its second phase of operation from Saturday, which is May 16, by sending 3 Air India flights to Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Under the second phase of Vande Bharat mission, a total of 149 flights, including feeder flights, will be operated to bring back Indians from 31 countries.
The second phase of Vande Bharat kick-started on Saturday with the first flight from Dubai to Kochi. Flight carrying 177 passengers departed from Dubai at 1 p.m. and arrived at 6:25 p.m. in Kochi. Indian consulate in Dubai said that care has been taken to accommodate women in advanced stages of pregnancy, medical cases and others, and also more flights will operate in the coming week to take back distressed Indians.
We have this flight to Kochi, in which there are lots of distressed people who are there. We have 75 pregnant ladies who are going on this flight. There was a lot of pressure from pregnant ladies who wanted to go back, so we thought that we should accommodate as much as possible in this particular flight.
We have put some medical crew also, so there are 2 doctors and 2 nurses also on board the flight to take care of any special need arising during the journey. So we wish them, all the travelers, a very best to them, and we are happy that we were able to accommodate all the requests, whatever in the best possible manner.
After a successful phase 1 of this massive air evacuation mission, phase 2, starting today, will bring back Indians from some 31 countries that include Russia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Germany, Netherlands, France, Spain, Thailand and more. 149 flights, including feeder flights, are part of this phase.
We have 3 flights today from the UAE to India and 18 flights in this coming week. We hope that this will now assist many more Indians to go back urgently to India. We hope to keep this effort going for as long as is required, and we look forward to the support of everyone who has helped this happen, including of course the UAE government and their health services and of course civil aviation authorities.
Absolutely. Phase 2 of Vande Bharat mission primarily focusing on Central Asia.